Look closely at this bubble. This bee isn't just puking, she's performing a chemical miracle that keeps her entire colony alive. We call it bee vomit, but is it actually gross? Or is it nature's most sophisticated liquid gold? Bees aren't just mindless workers, they're high-level chemical engineers. To understand the transformation, we have to look past the flower and go deep inside the hive, specifically, into a specialized organ called the honey stomach, the bee's secret lab. It starts when a bee drinks nectar through her proboscis. Unlike human digestion, this nectar goes into a separate honey stomach. Here, the magic begins. She introduces an enzyme called invertase, which starts breaking down complex sucrose into simpler sugars like glucose and fructose. This isn't just storage, it's an active chemical reaction. By the time she returns to the hive, the raw nectar has already begun its metamorphosis into the shelf-stable fuel the colony depends on. Once home, the relay race begins. The field bee regurgitates the mixture and passes it mouth to mouth to house bees. This isn't a one-time handoff, it's a social processing line. Each bee swallows and regurgitates the nectar repeatedly, adding even more enzymes with every pass. This vomit cycle continues for up to 20 minutes, thoroughly mixing the enzymes and reducing the water content. By maintaining this mouth-to-mouth continuity, the colony ensures every drop is perfectly treated before it ever touches a wax cell. It's teamwork at its most intimate. But the job isn't done yet. Fresh nectar is 80% water, which would spoil quickly. To fix this, bees deposit the mixture into wax cells and use their wings as high-powered fans. This mechanical evaporation drops the water content to less than 20%. This fan brigade creates a cooling effect throughout the hive while concentrating the flavors into the thick, sweet substance we love. This level of cooperation requires more than instinct. Recent studies show bees are incredibly intelligent, even capable of play. This social complexity is why they can coordinate such a precise engineering feat, proving there's a lot of brainpower behind that buzz. Finally, the bees seal the cell with a fresh layer of beeswax. This airtight cap preserves the honey indefinitely. Because of its low moisture and acidic pH, honey creates a hostile environment for bacteria. It literally never spoils. In fact, archaeologists have found edible honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that's thousands of years old. This vomit is essentially the only food that lasts forever. So, does knowing that honey is essentially processed bee regurgitation change your appetite for it? Or does it make you appreciate these tiny engineers even more? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this beautifully gross look at nature, hit that subscribe button for more science. Thanks for watching.